In regards to the water fountains, the guidelines for that should be as followed. The water fountain sprout should be no higher than 36 inches from the ground. The front edge should extend 17 to 19 inches from the wall with 27 inches minimum of clear knee space, allowing for someone to be able to roll up under who's in a wheelchair to drink water. There should be at least 8 inches of free space where there's no equipment, so that way individuals can successfully slide their wheelchair up underneath the water fountain and have that space for their legs to hang when it's time to get water. There should be a toe clearance that is 9 inches high and 6 inches from the back wall that is also clear of space. As shown in the bottom left corner picture, you can see that it'll allow for someone to successfully be able to roll up far enough to where they can comfortably drink water without having their feet being scraped or injured in the process. The sprout should have a water flow of at least 4 inches high. Accessible water fountains that have a curved or a bowl-shaped water pit should have a water flow of at least 3 inches high. The control buttons for using a water fountain should be on the front or the side of the water fountain that is near the front edge of the water fountain sprout, so that way it is easily accessible for someone to push the button. As seen in the top picture, you can see that the push buttons are in the front. In the bottom two pictures, you can see that the push buttons are near the side on the front edge of the water fountain. There should be a clear space around the whole entire water fountain unit that should be 48 by 30 inches minimum. This allows for easy accessibility to the water fountain, and it provides enough space for wheelchairs to be able to pull up, whether it is they're pulling up straight in front or they want to turn around and pull up and parallel to the water fountain to allow them to drink their water successfully. These modifications will allow for individuals with disabilities to successfully be able to have access to the same things that people without disabilities have access to. Modifying the water fountains, the bathrooms, the ramps, the travel of path, all allows for access to everything that individuals without disabilities have access to. These proper modifications will have compliance, and if the school makes these modifications to transition, they will have a better outcome with individuals with disabilities on their campus.